Good evening, YouTube. This is Engineer Pat 5290 coming to you with a very special announcement. As of today, I broke 700 subscribers on my channel, and I'd like to thank each and every subscriber for subscribing to my channel. And it's been a good ride so far. I've been on YouTube for 3 years, and I've really gotten to have some fun showing some of the catches that I have seen in different areas. And I love some switching out, seeing what you guys catch and y'all see what I catch. We just flip flop, and I think that's great. I enjoy seeing all of your videos, and I appreciate all of you who have hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell, and also hitting the thumbs up. It really means a lot. And on a new note, just got this shirt today. It's the Southern 3170. It was the first high hood SD40. It was the class unit for the Southern, and 1580 was the Norfolk and Western's first SD40. I apologize, I got some sinus drainage going on right now. That's why my voice is a little bit clogged up. So, the 3170 was built in 1970 for the Southern Railway, and it's the last of its kind. The 1580 is also the last of its kind on the NW. So, 3170 lives at the Tennessee Valley Railroad Museum. 1580, I believe, is still getting worked on at Judy Inn. There has not been a lot of news on that, but just wanted to say thank you guys again for 700 subscribers. I look forward to seeing your comments and seeing your latest videos whenever they get posted. I look forward to getting to know you guys a little better. Alright, thank you guys for watching. I'm Engineer Pat, and I will see you on the next Rail Adventure. Peace out, guys. See y'all later.